In this video review, we're talking about Bluwhale token, legit or scam. So friends, do your own research before investing. What is this? This is a power world fastest growing AI network. This is based on AI network in digital era and platform dominates platforms such Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn and or Amazon. So guys, this is powered by AI and digital capitals token. This is used AI dApps operate open and share knowledge. This is a token website, guys. This is collab with the SUE and all this platform like Swissborg, like GSR, like Movement, all this platform, Cardano also platform. You can also you have a product here. You can check the product on this website. You have the section of products. If I scroll down, this is the website, and this is all information about the website. So friends, the price of this token is $0.032, the all-time high, almost $0.036. This token listed on BankSwap and Binance Alpha and Cocoin and BankX and Kraken and Bitmart and Lbank. The bullish is 85%, the bullish is 15%. Total supply 10 billion of this token, max supply also 10 billion of this token. Circulating supply 1.22 billion of this token. Holders 18,000 members. Huge holders here, guys. This is all good inside. If I check the section of distribution of the token, I see holders 18,000. As I say, the top 10 holders is almost 94%, with the top one is 2.5 billion on holders. This is the value in USD. This is transaction. I see a huge volume in transaction. This is also good inside to check or to see all this transaction. So guys, anyway, before taking action, do your own research. I give this token 7.5 on 10, and this is not financial advice. This token have section, guys, community on Telegram with this huge member here on Telegram. Have tokenomics and holders have GitHub page on GitHub, guys. You can see all this tokenomics and token allocation. So thanks for watching this video, guys.